Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fidelity for e-delivery tax documents, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Fidelity website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account, click on register to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the Communication Preferences option. Select e-delivery as your preferred method for receiving tax documents. You may be prompted to review and confirm your choice. Carefully read through the terms and conditions associated with e-delivery. Once you agree, proceed to confirm your selection. Check for any additional preferences regarding document types. After selecting your preferences, save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your registration for e-delivery. If needed, log out of your account for added security. Keep an eye on your email for notifications regarding your tax documents. You are now successfully registered for e-delivery tax documents with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.